Post a new one.
Mune mara apparently urowotoyekiwa or something.
Why the phone zichosvika kamera nokuita zvo so chotoma.
Hezvo asi kuti uyozvijajesa re. I'm not saying. No, I'm just saying like. No, also I don't think uroyekiwa. Ndibononga kamse obako sendera mutu something like maybe.
Butanzi.
No, kana kusendera unoyomuzana. Yari story like we're drinking or whatever. Mara story yani fana option yotova natenda basi. I know. No. Sorry, no zamwe mimerera mtu kana no so worth it.
Okay, but the lady. She's married. She's a wife.
Somebody's whole wife. And the guy was so proud of her.
Oh my God, man.
Azwa kumtongiza.
Nyadiba, ufio bombara na mateki ya wangi balcony mix. Abantu bakonda.
Ndinyoma.
Wamuzana bombara mateki ya husband. Yes.
After the whole thing.
Yes. No, so wait, zoite and I was on the balcony mix, right? Ndakunda ndiziva sadini, but oya balcony mix na Limpopo yungari oba co-attend at the same event. And then after the event wakunotoa both ndira nzao. And uko fi tekile ola muzana boli ambara. Uko fi ndila husband.
Okay, this is a point you're breaking. You see why I wear smaller size? Why do you come to Louis Vuitton? Why?
No, that just dusted me. I'm sorry. It's not a funny situation, but that nigga's not gonna heal anytime soon, guys. Like, to be honest, like that's where I know I'm a pro women, pro everything, but I feel for him. I don't wanna lie. Like, he won't heal now, bro. Like, he won't heal now. He won't heal now. Forget
Mara, do you
about
think
it.
that's it? Zopera, like, there's no coming back, ne?
People usually say men can't forgive cheating, so
I think they do, as long as people don't know.
Oh, you sure?
Yeah, they do a lot. Come on.
You guys are forgiving your girls for cheating on you.
As long as Majita don't know, we are pushing.
Majita, the problem.
I'm making sure when you must give you one.
Just don't cheat at all, man. But damn, with the lady, I'm like, was she drunk?
I don't think she was drunk. She looked like they're very comfortable together.
Do you think it was the first time?
I don't think so.
You see now.
And here's the thing. And then again, I'm just like, I really hope this makes men see how much cheating hurts.
Yes. They mustn't keep doing it.
Cheating hurts so much. Look at how devastating. How deactivating is what
it's so sad for him.
That's what it does to you. Don't think it hurts more because it's a man.
Yeah.
Rondo's you normalize and we think
it's okay for us to get cheated on.
Okay, how about then?
How does that feel?
How does that feel?
Yeah.
Like not heaven no kojola. Just sit down. Imagine nivuga machoni send a video nonga Limpopo boy. Think about it. I hope that makes you stop. Because it's devastating.
That's your wife's palms, man.
Bro, and she's dancing. She's happier.
She looked so happy. I wish I didn't watch that video. I'm like,
she is twerking. Also, but then Limpopo boy, he didn't know that she was married, first of all. Which is weird because I didn't even follow her.
They look comfortable. Pictures. There's just no way.
Yeah, but that's what I
so look at the boys. I just okay.
Allegedly, he lost all the deals. You hear me? Adidas, what, everything.
But he won't be cancelled by us.
No, but we're gonna pay him now. Okay, no, what am I going to do for him?
But I think it also brings me to the whole chat theory. When you do stuff, they have less to lose than you. Like exactly. The lady, in as much as she had her whole marriage and stuff, that's his skin. He lost his bread. Do you know what I'm saying?
I don't think he thought he was going to lose Ngoraru. You know, men always think. Remember when Kingsley and Krotman,
okay, sure. Yeah.
Men always think this is a purity culture. Like, if now we were to take a picture of a man and a woman, bako Jenna Lodge, it's obvious they close the door. the person that's going to be shamed in one form of
Yeah.
And also, even the way it's said in Venda, it's like, oh, you know,
Oh,
yes.
Also the derogatory terms that they use. Oh my God. You
Exactly.
were a child.
Yeah, you were a child.
You were banged.
You were banged.
It's like, what?
It's made, so I'm not saying I'm happy it happened to him or loses the deal, but I'm like, can you see how equal this whole thing is now? Can you see Uri?
Can you feel what we feel?
You know? So I don't think he thought it would get that far. He probably thought, hey, okay, you got to I'm sure the Wallo Tom and allow video
Yes, like,
Plus
they were praising him and
they're
stuff.
praising him and like, they're like, yeah, you got this blind ini. So now you know, Uri, we all have something to lose.
Yeah, but I feel like
he lost more.
You should be careful with mingling with people when they have less to lose than you. Like just even outside of the Limpopo boy situation, just you should look at go and reassess the relationships you have in your life. True. Like, because if you're busy doing stuff, they have less to lose than you. Because anyway, I'll be fine afterwards. But you're gonna lose your deals, you're gonna lose money. Kingsley
it's I feel like it's just like that nanga bangana with friendships as well. You guys need to watch who's in your circle. Because it's we know we always have to protect each other. If we are out and I know it's my responsibility to make sure. I've said this before because it's the smallest things. One trending video of my friend or blogger Tini ruins my reputation as well.
That's true.
Do you get it?
Yeah.
So
people
that have nothing to do, I would be the one to take a picture of her. So surround yourself with people that have a lot to lose. I'm just saying.
Yeah.
This is nothing
it has nothing to do with money.
It has a lot to do with dignity.
Character,
but when respect her,
exactly. That concept is as real as it sounds.
Yeah.
Like it's real. But
okay, so sorry, but Limpopo boy na wamuzana. I hope afareliwa. But kana afarela. There's only video. But kana afarela. We've got a couple of them. Let me start with this one. Why do you think young people are leaving the church? Have you left the church? Is that thing?
For like 6 months or so, it was after my mom passed. I felt like I felt like it didn't belong.
Yeah.
So plus people at the church that I was going to at the time, they were very judgmental, and me, I was grieving hard. Like me, I was quite showing, but either way, I was grieving. Like the grief had me
chokehold.
Yeah, so I wasn't. I was just
judgmental.
Not okay. Or why am I acting like I'm the first person to lose their mom?
Somebody said that.
Yeah, I'm old. I'm 21. You know, I've done life without my dad for like
over
10 years.
Those
are the things that the elders at church would come to me and say, Ori, why akadirira? But when I'm trust like I feel for them, but then go for baba. You get what I'm saying? Like you get what I'm saying? So yeah,
you lie. They said that to your face.
The elders at church are they will come to you head on like wafa
I'm gonna forget this. Please remind me to get a parcel from Mpo before we leave you.
Okay.
I know how my brain works.
Okay.
So any over like the reason why they came to you was
I looked sad. Like I had
church.
baggy eyes every other Sunday. Like I was not okay. And sometimes I would just break down at church because that's like fresh after it happened. So yeah.
And then like they should feel like okay, Oscar can save space, and that's why I could leave. So did you go back to the same church now that you went back?
No, I changed.
What church was it?
No. There was off camera. But hey, gotta get
in Pretoria.
Yeah, obviously nothing again. Yeah, it was just like people, they are fine supporting you, but for a week or two after the funeral. After that, like wrap it up.
You need to. Yeah, you need to get done.
I wasn't wrapping it up. Like I would just break down. I would. Sometimes and I would just call my mom or something, and the shudori chairs obviously after that. So Yeah, they were not
when you
kind.
hear the voicemail.
Yeah, they were not kind to me at all. So that was why I left the church. No matter, because I decided, it's not about them, it's about me and God.
I'm really struggling to go back full time, honestly. Then the just want to grieve. But for me, I'm not getting support. It was just like, I think I was mad at God at some point. It was.
We all get to that.
It was not even about church. For me, it was worse. It felt like. Okay, this is what happened. So I was told my granddad was sick and whatever. I focused was bad. Then I started praying. I was in the shower and I was praying. I was crying. I'm like, yo, God. I think this was but you feel it, ne?
Yeah.
I was like, come on, you can't do this. This is mine. Come on.
Bro.
Like, I was crying.
Yeah.
Literally, I get out of the shower. I get a call from my mom after it happened. I was mad. I'm so sorry, but I was mad.
Like, I feel you.
You know? And ndosana ndichidheriwa angarealize ndikova hafa vakufunza dzitabelo ndikova hafa but I'm like, hey, you guys don't get it.
Like
you don't get it. Like,
oh,
if I grieve your thing, I counted my friends, and these are males. I counted my friends. I counted all these people, and I'm like, this is the one person I had left. And I'm like,
now they're gone.
What?
Right.
So I was really angry and ndaricha. Ndazamumera nyana ndichikumera. How chifuko funzi one like. There's something about your heart that closes up. I don't know how to explain it.
Yeah.
And then where you feel like you are there, but you're not there.
Sure.
And then they're preaching, you're like, nice sermon,
but
like even the spirit, the worship songs don't get you to where you used to get anymore. Things have just like become, and I'm just like, I'm trying, Lord, I'm trying. Like literally, I would be praying, can you at least make me like hear you today? Like try.
Yeah.
Still. I felt closed up and would
you pray at home? Would you still try and keep up with reading the Bible? At all?
Yeah, there was a time. I was angry. Like I was very angry. Like I would literally fall asleep. And then I've never been a person that just amen, but I would always pray. I've always been a prayer warrior. But then it got to a point where I was like, I would just sleep, you know. And I could tell at the same time it's I'm giving the devil like ndira, your jena, because now but funny enough, that was when God showed up the most.
If he shows up the most for the brokenhearted, he's closer to us. That's true though.
He came through. When I was not praying, I remember we spoke about it and dude, it's crazy how when you start praying, things go wrong, and then I quit everything.
Don't quit though. It's not a sign.
And then now God.
You were brokenhearted for real. He's very much closer to the brokenhearted. He shows up.
Maybe I need to accept I'm brokenhearted again. I need another tada from God. Another.
Don't you manipulate him?
Okay, sorry. But then he showed up so much then.
You were really heartbroken. You're his baby. He cares. He'll never give you what's beyond your capacity.
So what do you think are other reasons why people leave the church? Apart from our reason?
Most Christians are
hypocrites.
Yeah, and they're very judgmental. I like tackling the issue of music, like generally. It's like, okay, when Christians see a Christian singer maybe jamming to an amapiano song, it's like, marabone bakoliza vachita baraya abalizi hle abalizi Benjamin Dube na Rohwa Manyaga abalizi taki ndo. Ain't no way, bro. Abakoliza bo Cairo, abakoliza zi amapiano. But should they catch like a gospel singer playing the same songs, maybe just vibing to the song, they are so quick to say, oh my God, which spirit is that one?
Yeah.
Which spirit do you have? Why no sumba to the rest of the fingers zoni sumba? Why are you not considering that?
I think also like the fact that with Christians, I think everybody has like a sin that they have going on,
and they feel like it's not that big because chawa facho uresa.
Exactly. So
yeah,
you know,
and the Bible doesn't really say that. The Bible says, "Ojo no braya onikofana ndichibi." You get what I'm saying? So I feel like Christians they are quick to see the danda that's in the next person's eye than what is in their own eye. Chitanda vile chireka litolawa. I'm quick to see chitanda chireka litolawa, but danda li reka mato anga, I won't see it. Because like, ay marazo wafa zo uresa wafa wo could try.
Yeah, I think they do think they're better. I don't know if I've experienced that. Okay, I was very active because youth, whatever.
Oh, yeah.
Very active. Right here every Friday. And then I just stopped because it got to a point where I felt like I didn't belong, because it was during a time where I was switching careers. I was coming from production to marketing, didn't have a job. I was still trying to figure myself out, just living off savings. And I'm like, just say, I want to after you was Starbucks. Who were guy? I'm like, and also it did feel like it does not really accommodate lower class. It's for certain.
But there are churches that are just like that. We went to cars.
And remember Sunday na mini. Nishibonesa hapa.
Was it a mega church?
Yes. Nishibonesa hapa umwe. Oh, I still go there. I love it so much because I love the sermons, I love the worship. Because honestly, that you always find something. And I can't. And I think because of the people, you know. And then now, I don't think they wanted to do anything wrong.
It's just
they just wanted Starbucks. I was in bad shape, so it doesn't make them bad people.
Yeah. If you're in good shape, you don't have noticed that.
That's almost
somehow it's not,
a little bit bougie, you know. So I started feeling like that, and then the tomo withdrawals. Join online, what. So it became a little bit of that, and then the death thing came about. I was like, Fede, that's total.
I've had no mara.
No, I didn't. A month ago, I think.
Please just try. Mubiri au kombecheze because mubiri urana moya.
Ndipedza ndiko disorder ndichishika nda mbiri yanga yabairo vureya, and now I'm like, I should have just stayed home. I want to go vandolindera something and I'm not feeling anything, and I'm like, I should have just stayed home.
Akulindera what dembe bombs.
I've never believed in any of that.
Okay, good.
I've never believed in any of that.
But just keep trying to build a more personal relationship with God first.
That's what I'm doing now. My mom just started recently with a prayer group. We do like
shout out
Mondays and Wednesdays. And I'm not going we do try. Like I've realized also that Monday and Wednesdays when I'm praying with my family it's different.
Have you ever had a partner that prays with you?
Yeah.
How is it? Like,
it's cute, but I am not myself like that in situations. Like I don't pray the way I prayed in Norte. Like,
do you tone it down?
I feel like cute? I tone it down. I'm not. No, I still sound like cute, but I'm not saying things. Sometimes I'm trying to tell him about you. Also, the family business that I can't say.
Okay.
You know, I'm trying to talk about my actual self.
But does it matter, like when you find a partner? Does it matter, Uri? How aligned are they
with God?
Yeah.
I think Chinenda said this is the background. Like, do you come from a Christian foundation, a Christian
What if they
home?
do, but they don't? They're not that tapped
or they
in.
don't go to church.
They're just not that tapped. It's like, okay, but you can see this person is not that tapped in. You can see it through their character. You can spot this little dance.
You know, ndichiri character ndikwamburi, ndichiri foundation ndikwamburi. Ukuzvona zvinonenda tangana mutu, oyo mutu dori neti jenigereke. They don't, because I mean at Korea, okay, let's say I met someone 3 months ago.
Okay.
But for a Jenny.
Going out to the sonda are.
Out to the sonda are working. It's donate a sonda and then go cleaner. They go cleaner. They go vlogger. You understand? So I'm like, when I say the foundation is very important, there are certain things that I'll never do.
Okay.
Because of that foundation. Whether I'm mad at God now or whatever, still because
sure,
of the conscience that was built over you know, it's just like your consultant. I don't see myself in the Kwangangan, you know, not in a bad way.
Well, how do you feel about Christians that do that?
I don't know. It just feels like for something, and then I'll now put my trust in it. Like you know, already no sweet. Then you're gonna have a bad day.
And it will be in your mind.
It's in your head. Yeah. So automatically, hey, God is not doing it. So there are certain things that I'll never do because of my faith. Sure. That's why the foundation is very important. So even how you treat people, but whenever their parents are prayer warriors and all that are good. You never know like the things we're talking about now.
Yeah.
So I can't judge you now and be like, hey, no, okay, red flag. No.
Okay.
It doesn't matter to you. How do you deal with that?
Okay. how I see relationships also, but people kept saying in the comment section, experience here enough when they don't. But here's what I think. I'm like, okay, when I'm dating someone, right? Not that I'm looking for someone to lead me generally, but like to a certain extent, you are the man. Like, I don't want to be, there's things I don't want to be that involved in. So I'm like, I want to look at you and even an idea, what am I submitting to in you? You get what I'm...
Oh, okay.
Like, I want to look at the person and think, what am I submitting to in you? What are you submitting to? So if what you're submitting to is God, who you're submitting to rather is God, then I can trust that. You get what I'm saying? I'm like, if like...
Oh, young brother.
I thought that I feel like those people are horrible. Shout out to them. My brother, Nazi pastor's kiddie. I would never.
Yeah, you're right.
I'm just looking for someone that is a personal.
I know. Yeah.
I know what you do. You sound like you have a personal experience. I just want someone who submits to God. Like, I want you to know that you don't make all the decisions. You can go and pray and say, but God, I just met a girl. I like her. Like, should I?
Should I? At least you'll talk to God about me.
Yeah, even if it's not just about me, but like about, there are things you just have to go consult with God. Not
and also, I think that contributes a lot to the type of conversations we have throughout the relationship.
Thank you.
Let's say in the Korea, oh yeah, tomorrow I have got an interview, I want to pray about it. And then you're like, I'll show me as well. Kana ask when you discourage or you're praying for something. And then they're like, hey, show me why when. It's the small little comments that will discourage you, and you're like,
that's true, you're right, actually. So you see how important it is.
It is. It's very important. So it's not like
it's not, yeah.
Go to church, no. No,
status of Kingsley.
Oh, and that concept you're nikeda. Have you ever believed in like tithing? Why?
To show me.
High school, primary school, high school. Yeah, no, Canada CP wanda tuibeya ti mwezi udopera.
And you would calculate 10%.
Also, I never ate at school, so so my money was my money.
I will tithe when I get a job. Like,
it's 10% of whatever you make, you have.
For real? They go good.
As just, at T2 in a while, because none of Vakirkeni, but I would. And I saw it working. I don't know. It's weird. I don't know if it worked or it was because God was just doing stuff because he has to do it. Okay, yeah, so tithing really helped me so much. I saw it work.
I'm going to do it.
You don't have fasting?
Of course.
Do you fast?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Yeah.
This year,
strike it, you can go days. Like, I can go days. Oh, but the moment I tell myself, now we're doing this with God, that I told me at 5 a.m. Like, the man told me to
something.
I'm like, I finish what's wrong with you? You can see it's the devil, man.
No, so I don't know. Also, we started now Kingsley. We started when we still young. And it used to be 7 days. Yeah, it was
dry.
Just water and
okay. Juice. Yeah, damn, that's close to dry, bro.
It's very close to dry because I break you sick.
Because we not hey, like I always say, like don't just be looking at us and thinking, oh my God, what poster and this is about it. You think I would post those videos and just go about my day? God, like, you get what I'm saying? So, you're not even praying, bro. Like, are you yeah. Well, what's the next?
No, but still, like, I do feel like you need to have something and Mara fasting works, guys. Try it. That is 3 days.
Yeah, sure, mama.
But you know what's worse? Usually when I do it, things get worse, and then you realize okay, remember I'm praying for certain things in my life. Then when they start being eliminated, it might hurt. Because sometimes you're praying for
God, if it's not for me, remove
promotion
it.
or whatever. And then things start getting very hectic at work. Now they're giving you so much, and now all of a sudden there's somebody that doesn't like you, and it's just a lot. And then there's just so much going on. There's chaos. You're fighting with friends.
Yeah.
Things the person you think is in love with you is also says, "Well, and you don't know."
Do you believe that sometimes for a door to open, one has to close first?
True.
I feel like that, and it's such a bittersweet feeling for me because I'm like, with the station that I was at, obviously it's the only station I've been at, for the Yano Lyrics door, I had to really close that door. I couldn't do them both at the same time. So I always,
but a long time... Did you have to close it or something happened so you could leave?
No, I had to close it. Like, I don't know I was trying to juggle both for a while, but I'm like, dude, I need kupwache dayani and you can't. And I'm like, I think I must really just trust God and trust what He's doing in this season, like, and say, you know what, it's fine. I'll close it, and I know I trust that a new door will open, and it did. But yeah, for when I was closing it, there wasn't make sure.
It's a very hard pill to swallow, honestly. Yeah. I think I went through it matumoni this year, and I was like to God, okay, God, this is what I want to do. I'm leaving all this. I need you to.
But I'm leaving.
You know?
That's
faith,
and
it got worse.
Yeah.
Like, I'm telling you, I've never suffered like that in my life. Like, I remember calling Pistos. I'm like, dude, I don't understand. I'm like, why? I'm doing a good thing. Why is God punishing me for it? It's like, hey, relax. And then eventually things start coming up, you know? Sure. And then, for example, I just told you about the booked and busy prayer. And I'm like, I've been praying for it for like years, you know, for a couple of years. Okay, maybe 2-3 years. But then again, I think I had to let go of certain things.
For that to happen.
In order for that to happen. You
can't want your cake and eat it too. Most of us want that. Most of us just want, okay, I want... But like it's like sometimes that can't be your portion, you know?
I think also just come maybe like I'm trying to get a good example, like in life in general, like you can't say I want to be this focused at work, but you're still drinking every weekend. You've missed meetings, you're not
you're behind schedule.
You're behind. Instead of telling yourself, okay, the Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I'm planning my week. So there are certain things that need to change in order for you to get to a certain level in your life. But I think people are not ready to have that conversation.
Even with relationships as well.
Even with
it's
relationships.
Like, if you keep going to that ex of yours that gives you a hard time, like, and you're still praying, oh my God, I need a husband. I want to be a wife. 3 minutes, no matter. You get what I'm saying? So it's like, sometimes also it comes across, I think, sometimes it comes across as though you don't trust God enough for it. If you let go of here, He will carry you. Like,
that's how I felt.
You feel like if you let go, but no, how about that? Maybe let's preach because what now is this?
Okay, just one more.
Hi, now is this
just one more, right? Like, I'm gonna make an example. Like, let's say you're in an abusive marriage or a relationship. There's a person I know who need all the time. Yes, you will wake up and go to work. Let's say you've got a job.
Yeah.
It affects how you perform, right?
Sure.
It affects everything about you. It's affecting your kids and whatever. You are praying for better. You are praying for financial breakthrough. But it's not going to come because at that stage, you're not ready to hold a managerial position.
You're clinging on to what's not good.
I'm not going to hold that back every day. Do you get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So, because you don't want to let go.
That's true.
God wants to help you out, but you're just here.
You're like, I don't know if God will carry me.
No, this is all I know. I don't think... How much does God hate you? Or all you know, how, like, no then what did you do to God?
You think God hates you?
Do you think God hates you like that?
He loves you so
like,
much.
What was the never wachanda? Come on. You guys can do better.
Thank you for watching this episode. It is proudly brought to you by MR21 Funerals and Insurance. If you want to know more about their funeral plans and all the insurance that they have, make sure you contact them on 015-151-0251 or 0252. Or you can contact them on their WhatsApp number, which is 061-509-0775 or www.mr21.co.za. MR21, true respect.
It's Women's Month also. I read it the GBV.
Yeah.
Yes. I don't know if we should start with the confidence versus insecurity or you choose. The pressure to have life figured out by 30.
I'm having it and I'm just 23. So when y'all say 30,
maybe I went to 25. Okay, I think before 25, Nina 25.
Yeah.
And then before Nina 30. Which one do you want us to start with? Because we need to start
zombie.
Of
confidence and insecurity. Yes. Mara ruamba ngazunyana last time.
Did we?
Nyana pretty privileged. Okay,
the pressure then.
Yeah, but I feel like the pressure is there obviously. Also for someone like me, I'm still chasing my qualification and I'm trying to do all of those things in the media space. So when I look at some of my classmates like by high school, I'm like, I only grandi. And then like I you know what I think. There are people who bump into me and they go, oh my god,
you've made it.
Yeah, no, I'm like, wow, guys.
And you're just like, I'm
thinking, Kingsley as I don't remove to cut the ashume the dolani.
As I don't phone those the phone so.
No, Kingsley I remove to donetesa. And I'm like, yes. You know, so I think we pressure ourselves. We're looking at the time frame. The next person we think.
Yeah.
Why at this age at that age? But it's like it's yours. God is writing your story in a different way.
True.
What makes you special then? You know what I'm saying? Like maybe I need this story nawanga unakrempe mara ndambara stokisila gulu apa ndingasiso
abantu mwana muambara lone zvinokwa kuwacha aunona mtu mtezi kupfa pepo pepo yote yojena nduni na yiko pfa pepo induni
uvi ukorotora sambilu ya muna wa muvenda
yo bro telling you.
So that's I feel like also nendia dipa pressure mavan like, and I'm trying to stop, but it's like when I want to stop, I just bump into an OAF and an OAF is doing so much better. I'm like, I need to answer it, son. Like, momentum, pace up mood. You get what I'm saying?
But don't you think that's always good, though? It depends on how you look at it. To an extent. Because it's like, okay, it's like, do you look at it and you're like, or do you look at it and you're like, I need to pull up my socks?
Okay, I need to pull up my socks.
Exactly. So it's not a bad thing.
It's not like all bad. But
40 everywhere, at least you're 25. I mean, okay, you're 23. Or 23.
Yeah.
Like at least in the bottom of the shuma, you know, never going to grace vange, but of yeah, sure. When I'm trying to extreme. You know, it's crazy because we are at an age group where girls are buying houses. They are class of 2016, class of 2015, they're doing the most. They are very. It's a bunch of focused girls, man. It's beautiful to watch, yes. But then nayangazo, and then you look at it, what am I doing wrong? I think it's always best to like go back to your wood and look at the ones at home. At least they probably look up to me. I should look up to somebody. Even the ones you look up to somebody else.
It's like that. It's the hierarchy of life.
It's the hierarchy of life. So I already never knew. Okay, whatever. But still, I feel like whenever you get the pressure, whenever you get the pressure, it doesn't matter any guy. Like no maybe you can't get a job.
Sure.
You know, namusi no better feds due to whatever, let's say you had a baby or something, you know, there's always somebody at least hold on a mini.
I feel like the one way we can sum it up is the only time you can allow yourself to look at somebody's life in admiration of it is when it's motivating you to do better, not when you're feeling you want to beat yourself up about it.
You want to beat yourself about it.
Look at it and think, okay, I wanna get there one day. Not like, why am I not there? You know, that's not how it should work. Because now that it's like a pinch of jealousy, and you know what I'm saying, and you don't want to be that person.
Pace in Nigeria, you want to like fight for your dreams. It's like, just know you'll do anything.
No, I wanted to get.
You're willing to step on anybody now because you're like, and they go to your shika. Why want for Anna mini? I
need this over. Yes, mara but you don't know
but also you don't know because we smile so well and dress up so well. You never know the day in like no tangana and then this nana penny.
Yeah.
You know, there's a unomtana como admire marana na tempo nukumlo riziko tuma majiwa ndiko ziringisa Island. Do you understand? You are looking at people, you don't know what's in their houses. People don't have food to eat, but they look stunning because guess what? I still need to show up.
I always laugh when I watch like my last year interviews at the station, and I'm like, I remember specifically when I did the Heat Boss interview, I didn't have food like in the house, and I had cried the whole. If you go look at that interview, like already my eyes are tiny. Yeah. So like you could
but you had to smile.
I had to do it. I had to show up. I'm like. And I think I was repeating I had this blue shirt in the chamber almost every interview, like a short-sleeved blue shirt. And I was like, people had started commenting, Ori, Kanti, why are you not changing? And I'm like, but like, I feel like that's the nicest item I could wear. You
and
don't know what people are going through.
You don't know what people are going through.
You don't.
We've all been through like really, really rough times. Like really, really.
It's
Women's Month and women need to do better. They need to understand or everybody's going through something.
Yeah,
that's why sometimes and I'm just like, yo guys, stop making your problems your personality raw. We all have something that we're fighting. Thug it out, bro. Like you need to get up. Yes, it helps me. I cry a lot.
I'd say
honey, one thing I'm gonna do is cry.
I cry as often as most people.
Now, if you try to raise your voice at me, I'm gonna cry. I think the advantage of voice. I can't. But I will. That's one thing I'm gonna do. I'll cry, and I do feel better after crying.
Sure,
it's crazy.
Yeah, it's
so.
True.
I'm sure it's makeup. Otherwise, what a foundation, you know. So I'm doing a powder and bathroom. But then I'm just like, what I'm trying to say is, we've all been through certain situations.
It's true.
You know, people just look at you and feel like, hey, she's made it.
Yeah.
That's why I don't like it. But when you comment about my role model, it makes me, because I'm like, guys, I'm not even I'm not. I don't think I'm close.
But it's perspective of if a girl from my village is watching you, you are their role model. They've not seen anyone like you from a place that's closer to where they come from, doing what you're doing at a scale that you're doing it. So it's like it's their perspective. It's about to not to that extent. So allow them.
It's scary when people say that because I'm like, role what? No. I don't want you guys to follow my footsteps.
You know what I fear? As like someone in the media space, I fear the fame. I feel like the fame is so dangerous. I feel like the same people that are rooting for you today mess up tomorrow.
I'm telling you.
Like make a mistake tomorrow.
I went through it when, I don't want to mention the name, but I'm sure you know the story. When the other guy was bashing me online.
Sure, yeah.
And how those things had so many comments and likes, you know.
They're the people that are cheering you on daily. That's what I'm like, I feel like online people are so dangerous. It's because the same way you're like, oh my God, Mutu, we are so proud of you. Let me mess up one time. And because I'm human, to be honest, my day is going to come. And maybe one day it's going to come online. Who knows? The same people that are saying, oh my God, you are our treasure.
And you don't even have to do anything. There's going to be a day in let's say you're presenting the metros or the summers. I was like, hey, we would the Gia. It's one thing.
Yeah, that's true.
That video in kamsimu wako zamu mfoda mwako zamu mulumeisa ene asivone ula mtu.
Koko wane comment we. I know I was wearing it. That time is the rock. I think I've mentioned it. It's like one of the few times I wore dresses.
Yeah.
Yeah, they were not going to delete her because it's my account.
On this one, this week. What do you mean?
Ori ndibodito ngari, I'm up there. I'm even wearing designer dresses. I'm like, be warokayo bidia kovacha ina molo ni abora we.
No, inamsiko Louis Vuitton. So what?
You get what I'm saying? So mutu, like someone said, I'm no longer accessible. I'm out here wearing expensive stuff and my makeup is done and all of that. Like it's defeating the purpose. Should I look like I'm struggling all the time?
Should you look hungry? In order for you to eat.
Also,
I think there's this thing that people do, as a public figure. You want them to be great, but not too great.
Yeah.
Like,
yeah.
I want you to be great, but I still want you to be able to comment. But and
it's like,
you want me to be great, but you want to own me. That's basically what it is.
It's like I want you to be great on my terms.
Yes. Be great on my terms.
Yeah, be great, but don't wear a wig.
Free mode. Be great, but don't wear too much makeup.
Yeah, be great in some a week.
And that is a delete. I get a lot of hate comments. Not a lot.
I delete.
But maybe ka 50 comments that becomes
yeah.
Yo, look at that body. No, that body is not whatever. No, don't wear tight clothes anymore. Just wear. And I'm like, first of all, you don't even trust your own face. Who are you to tell me what to wear? It's always a fake account. It's never. Okay, so you see what I started doing? Kingsley Mudiri, I'm bullying people back. If you comment anything snacks,
you would go fetch them.
I am fetching your picture and bringing it here. You are telling me why you're wearing 7 colors in one outfit.
So what we are the fake accounts?
So no, but the fake account, I think the fake account just to spread hate.
But why would you do that, y'all? And it's always women. It's 90% of the time, it's women.
Okay, I've seen women. Oh yeah, she's always been like this. She thinks she's better than everybody. And I'm like, I know this comment. I love this comment. I know you don't hate me, you hate yourself.
Oh yeah.
You are the Nabianari. Why mufuni. What did you hate yourself so much? Go therapy or something. I don't care. Go somewhere.
I fear the media space for that because I'm like, the same. Hey, 20,000 in the koi code that your way.
You see it. It then has too swingy, but you need to tag it out. There's no hate comment the vakam to no ditemba. But people that have constructive criticism, they will come inbox.
And they do.
They do.
And they do.
They will come, and then they will bamba. As long as she says the F word, as long as I'm like, oh, man, you that's you know, stuff like that. That's constructive criticism. You can come to me and then you want to own my post. And do you have the right to tell me what to wear?
Yeah.
It's never, trust me, it's never a person who dresses better. It's never a person who owns a makeup brush that's going to tell you, yeah, makeup, designer dress. It's somebody like already. Whenever I see a hate comment, so I imagine this other meme. Like in a very rowdy place, like ghetto ass place. Because I'm like, people that are happy with their lives don't go around.
They don't have time to be looking at mine and finding everything wrong about it.
I can't take out a hate comment. It's not in me. I can't. You know, because because you don't know how far that comment goes. So it's just crazy.
Let's move on.
What were we talking about?
I don't
What do you have on your thing? You don't win for now.
How long should a talking stage last?
I don't know. Do you ever know Rio Gumaba?
Rotoma parka talking yapa probation.
Okay, igumaga when somebody asks you to be their girlfriend.
Oh, obviously it's your gumanepo. But if you told me to him son, it's go rusko mangara.
But I remember, okay, I think I'm going to end up with Kingsley. I know that I am is once go for baby and then it's like
Nekanini zvideve zvinoro zvingasishume
zvinozvezvo.
Hey.
Zvinozvezvo.
Ndiani vasingandirengeriyo maruva.
Ngori anototenda. Nomutendo raro akuita bare minimum chisokisi chabhora zvino chikubverera.
Izokokonda masokisini.
Masokisini be onotorotoresa rona mara masokisi yotekeyo.
Yeah, but
how long do you think it should last?
How should it start?
Talking. The minute did you phone number zanga, I guess.
That's where
then we start talking. Okay, no. The minute we show interest
in each other.
Yeah. Not mutu ajula koni yusu kuri hi. No.
Okay, let's the way I talking stage, right? Let's maybe the biggest question that I had, and I wanted to ask you specifically. I'm like, I want to ask this over this. How do you feel about, let's say I have a crush on a guy, and I feel like it's consuming me. I want to go tell them, and like, obviously I'm not gonna go say hi, I have a crush on you, but what if I find a nice way to do it? Like maybe I'll say, do you mind doing coffee one day?
Or would it like, do you think it's okay for a girl to share laughs?
Yeah.
I know there are guys that don't mind, but automatically okay, because from there, do I now plan the date?
Okay. Okay. That's why I needed you to answer this. I'm like, this question has been bugging me.
I don't know. It's although
it says the
we
wrong tone
open
for the
the door.
relationship.
We open. Let's say a guy looks at me, I look at him. The look I give you will tell you if it's okay. You should
pursue
come.
me or not.
Yeah. So I think already in the one of Hello 40, and if I give you that look and you still don't come, I give it to you again the second day you still don't come. Maybe you don't want me.
Okay. All right.
Also don't. I don't even. Hey. That don't want it. Like honestly, I'm telling you. I'm sorry.
No, I'm with this. So always say that.
No, I'm just thinking of what we spoke about earlier. That's all. But guys, yeah, maybe you guys tell us, is it okay for a girl to share? I don't know. I just feel like, I feel like I would like bring you close, like and then I'd wait for you to maybe like, please help me with what. I'm not doing it. Please help me with whatever. And then from there, if you still don't like me either, you don't like me, my guy. Then,
that's you there.
Yeah, that's you there.
And it's fine.
It's
it's so tricky.
Yeah, you might end up here.
I feel like it would just set an offish tone for the relationship if a girl tries that.
But then trophy.
Oh yeah. Anyone else
remember not on Ngambisa.
It's like no tomamba na intoni ambisa, but it's like
and now he knows you want him to. So it cancels that whole little chase thingy. You're someone impressed because you're impressed already, most. Why
You're
should
so impressed you couldn't hold it.
You're so impressed you couldn't hold it. So why should I buy flowers? Why should I take you out? Why?
Why should I ask you to be
you
my
like
girlfriend?
me, you would marry me now.
There's nothing you wouldn't do for me now. Like, you decided it's okay for you to come and tell me you like me.
You decided it's okay. So, I don't know. So, as for how long should a talking stage last? I don't know.
Should Christians fatten set? Sorry.
Much quicker.
They're dating.
And the pastor once said it. But no, guys. To your bless about because they do like a courtship something sort of like they'll do an intro.
Yeah.
Or something. I don't know.
Courtship
courtship courtship is basically getting to know each other.
Yeah.
Basically. Sure. Date after date is like sharp fede. So
Christians are going on vacations, bro. What are they doing?
Christians show up at church matching, bro. Speaking of matching,
okay. Oh my God. Yeah.
What do you think of girls matching? Anyone matching?
I tambidza only.
I don't you wouldn't.
Okay,
Kala coordination.
comes the color we can show. I mean, color is sure. Mara nani ngasiri ndiambara yellow.
But then how are you with your friends? It's funny enough. Ene is la jambo katrio una minute. So Nani keeps on using that line now. Whenever chibu edaka kolo kudiri, hey, nendo do na 10 minutes. I was talking to business and then Kingsley calls me ndahenga panda mupanga. So Kingsley, hey, just one lady. So that Nani's trying to call me ndahenga panda mupanga. So Nani's like, hey, nari jana no 40 minutes. How could mean? And then actually Jenna already were like, okay, ndiko Jenna guys ndiko shooter will meet. The phone and then ndiko talk about Joseph Unataku. And hey, who will viewer? But you see what is never that deep.
Kingsley, is there a need? Oh, I'm not going to there. Going down. My dear.
Wait, so talking about matching, I wanted to find out. Like, do you? Okay, how many friends do you have? But close.
Venda go for it. She already says so shame, but say don't listen about it.
Maybe when you no one has fact file. Did you ever go through the fact? Okay, you are really young. Okay.
What's that?
We used to do this thing. My 90s by diva. We kabugu na one friends. Like everybody had a fact file.
Okay.
Favorite color, whatever. So you would write friends, best friends, close friend, abana acquaintances, or whatever. Ela bugu na diwana ni skayoka ya mungano wanu ini no mungwana ka best friend na
chaya.
It was the same book that had lyrics.
Oh, I'm marina ranas lyrics.
Yabe was not. And come hardcover. Don't play. That fact file was my life. Okay, it had my favorite color. It had crush. It had. Guys, we had the best. Guys, we watch High School Musical. What do you mean? I don't know the sticker. No, chiranga BNB, but never. Yeah, let's talk. So, and how many friends do you have? Asongo bareti abanga muna mudo fungo bari.
And don't know go fungo bari wa wasied. Got a tap.
Look them tare. Do you have an abanga nanga shikina with
Yeah, one and the gumtem.
I used to.
Okay. Says what?
Sorry.
Fire.
Sorry.
Okay, Arim. Venda go for it. Lenga chala ko verati. Ndabarar.
Okay. So niso mzama mtiuke do bari ne?
Ai, bangwe gender is fine.
Okay, sharp. So ni bararu, so let's say you're going out, you're doing like brunch or okay, orchestrics. Do you talk about what you guys are wearing? Do you tell each other?
I'm usually the one that asks. Because, mind you, I've been learning to check and data as self-esteem and stuff. So, obviously, I don't want to down dress or to just overdress and all of that. So, I'm the one to ask, the school tanganisa. Dafa mtachiko ro dosko tanganisa ndisko fongo gida mpengo. Utoba ugonye gore then vele ndijinga chipopi.
But then so do you feel somewhere ara with some gonna wasiambe? Do you feel like
because my friends know of the self-esteem battle I'm on and they know it's never for bad vibes. And genuinely because I don't want to come there looking funny and that's just gonna ruin everything for me. So when they don't tell me, which really happens, I feel
I never took it to the bed. I never take it to bed vibes. Like you just want to know what I'm wearing. Or okay, for example, are we wearing heels or pumps? There's also that.
Sure.
Like
then imagine
I shouldn't look like I'm going for dinner and you look like Niko Kamro. Okay, Ukamro is such a bad word.
And they go butula.
Uko kesiwa. Pampas ane for next year this time ni dori resa. And
then ngas contributor ngas baby shower.
What? You have yellow and white. Ni atisa roke yellow. Just go paying anyone, please.
But yeah.
I feel like it's weird Arendani would send them because I'm like also I'm not saying mfodereni.
Tikorendi doroni kopela mamuna. Ndikoro nyango dibori rukwambara mabokati kana trek sutuna.
Also with my other close friend Rea would say because usually raba ramba if I'm wearing kili and she's wearing kili Rea ko yela and it's weird. So I'm like curly or straight? She's like straight. I'm like alright, I'm gonna take curly.
Okay.
You know, stuff like that, and then we're like what are we wearing? Moving comfortable or and then she's like and then I'll wear track pants because now we look like do you get what I'm saying? But then at least we do look like we're going to the same place because we're all wearing baggy and we're comfortable. But then if we don't communicate at all,
but you've seen in like most friend groups, they unene asiwa kana hubo zuri ronga kole for likes and all of that maybe, but unene wafibs blazer ene alichiwamba bokati
wabudzisana ukuyumbula ila issue ya Tsonzo, the one that we saw on the video ichitoma. Oh guys, I didn't read the message, so it was sent. Okay. So who do you blame in that case? It's just that people were so ready to call their friends fake friends, but I'm like, una asabudzisi enokuruwa budzisa una asabudzisi and asabudzisa nerikutanga shtofi ina dano dianga trezitu we are fine, I look sexy the whole day and how you look like
and we want to take pictures with you,
honey. We're about to look so sexy.
I know for the was on there so
Rindas, you know, we even ask makeup or no makeup, like I don't feel like it. Okay, I bet lip liner and lip gloss, let's go
combo
lip combo, you know, stuff like that. Or nendari kana niwane nendoskopela nga makeup undi all glamorous mngano wanga asina, even if she looks really beautiful, just because I've got makeup on, it makes me look glamorous. It makes me look like you know, and it's not a good feeling. Like, why would you want to outshine your friend? It's weird. That's kind of weird. I don't know.
There's a situation in the Venda online. There's a lady over could throw like a party, and she had to text one of her friends, Uri, can you please dress down? Like, I don't want you to outshine me. Kapatianga.
How would you feel about that?
I really nemutu a context so. That ideologies that person has about me, man, and they've had them for like a long time, and they entertain them, and they're not telling me about them. They feel some type of way about me, and it's not a cute way. I wouldn't like that.
You know what I think would be better? It's like, Mungana, please help me pick a dress. Because if I know you always dress to kill, then why not help me?
Exactly. But uri muchunamsi asongototo ambare sesa sido.
It's weird. Like, what do you mean you don't want to tell me you're wearing a white dress, bro? Like, it's just a dress. And also, we are friends, right?
Yeah.
And anyone or taste it, and chances are the shoes that you have, I have too. I mean, Rotterdam is the present tea.
Sometimes we're friends with people when they're secretly in competition with us.
And how do you see that?
But there are signs. Not ignore angorni amfuno yomtu. Dubaline na dubalos ignore. That's when they will come flooding in. But like sometimes we really are in friendships where this person is like, wafana lamzia keli ndodo arenga. Na ena renga no synthetic. Na mangara wa fast koshoshoba ni beiwe.
Mara wait. Mara hey, it could be like, like a little new makeup thing. I bought this and I'm like, yo, when you every day my chair.
But that's fine. That's not like nasty competition. It's the competition. The nasty competition is where you feel, even you know you can't tell oh my god, like you're just going to try and even volume density so you're just going to go and try and figure it out. Now we are synthetic.
True. I think Rono Bada Badesa.
Hey, Stonchanyani.
Yo, I think Rono Bada Badesa. Anyways, guys, this episode was brought to you by MR21, Mr. Panda Studios. Hey, MR21, Erandi Umereka into MR21. If you want anything, Zonena Nadzimfu, Urini Chiroba Batu. You can contact them on 015-151-0251 or 0252. Also, this episode is being shot at
Panda Studios.
The address is
38 Miller Street.
Let's go.
Johannesburg, darling.
Okay, and then Rokodio Dora, that's the winner, apparently. Hobana mistake. Okay, so the first winner is complicated. Iri at MFJ24J7V. And then your comment was grocery the Robona Rapedza. Congratulations. We've got Uzote Ngachirizi Ori grocery kaipi and then it's going to go comment and like you finally won it. Congratulations, guys. Please do send us a DM and say hi, guys, and then we know grocery. And hi, we're not gonna see it. And the person kuroni kwa runizima.
And then songo tizazo lawa challenge yo lera bungani nsongo zviita
udoniwana niko lera rise into ninja do interview ndikotombera udoboro pese niko win. But anyways, guys, congratulations. Go enjoy yourselves. Need rengere all the necessities that you need to. But this is it. thank you guys so much for watching. Rene re go towa jeno rono lindele siwa and go to phone iliwo ngatida kidney yawe tanga ati fani na ini hey like honestly. But anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. Rodoni bona next week.
Danko.
Bye.
Yeah.
Ndo ngono ida OTD.